Welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make sea salt cream. What is sea salt cream? Well, it's my favorite topping this time. It is absolutely amazing, very delicious, especially mixed with coffee. For this video clip, I am going to establish how many drinks can we make from one proportion of our sea salt cream, as well as the costing per cup. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip. I'm going to make use of two different ingredients. One is using a liquid whipping cream. This is a heavy cream. Anchor is the brand that I'm using here. You can use any brand. This is quite thick, so I am going to dilute it with milk. And of course, because this is sea salt cream, I'm going to add my sea salt. Okay, this is a natural sea salt, so get as natural as you can. So I am going to make a proportion which is equal to 1 cup. So I'll put 1:1, 1/2 cup of my whipped cream, and mix it with 1/2 cup of milk. This way you can cut your cost. 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. So I move it to a larger one, and now we are going to whip. So what you do is make sure you test the texture of your cream. So this is still quite runny. I want it to be a bit thicker than that, so we'll whip it some more. Okay, let's check the texture at this time. And I am nearly where I want it to be. Just a few seconds more. Okay, wait for it to be silky smooth, and let's stop here. Okay, so this is the texture that I am looking for, and we are ready with our sea salt cream using a combination of whipping cream and milk. Okay, I can't help it, I just have to give this a try. Let me just try it. Salty, creamy. That is 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. We ended up with 500 milliliters of sea salt cream, so it's expanded to double the size. Okay, so now I am going to make a drink, and then we're going to find out how much of this sea salt cream do we actually need to put in one drink. I'm going to make a coffee sea salt cream using my brewed coffee from my French press. So this is a 16-ounce cup or glass, and I am going to use 5 ounces or 150 milliliters of my brewed coffee. The proportion is 1:15 because this is more like ready to drink. Now I am going to be the one to drink it, and I like my coffee to be a little bit sweeter. I'm going to add 1/2 ounce of my sugar syrup. There you go, so that once we combine it with the sea salt, there will be that bitter coffee and bittersweet coffee, and then the salty, creamy sea salt cream. So I'll just stir it so that the coffee and the sugar syrup will mix, and it will be sweeter when I start to drink it. And I'll pour it into my glass. I am assuming I will need about 2 ounces of my sea salt cream. So just to measure it, I'm going to put, let's start with 45 milliliters. Okay, so let's say 45 milliliters for 1 cup, and let's see how it looks, whether it looks thick enough and it is substantial enough. So I'm going to put this on top of my glass. That is 45 milliliters. I don't think that's good enough, especially when you have a larger diameter of your cup. So I think that we probably need 2 ounces. So let's just say 2 ounces of sea salt cream for every cup. Okay, so there you go. Let's put 2 ounces there. I will just put them all here. So judging from this, I think that 2 ounces for each drink should be the right proportion. So now this is looking really gorgeous, and I think that I'll stick to 2 ounces per cup. I am telling you guys, this is now one of my favorite drinks. I mean, topping. I love the taste of my coffee using just my French press here. It is very, very smooth. And of course, it really depends on the coffee beans that you use. I am using 100% Arabica here, medium roast. That's my favorite for, especially for black coffee. And the addition of that sea salt cream on top is just so amazing. You cannot believe how amazing it is until you try it. So you must really give this a try. Now that I have really built it up, let's find out how many cups can we make out of that proportion. Okay, so here I have a lot of my shot glass here. Let's assume, and based on actual experiment, that we actually need 2 ounces per drink. Okay, so I'm going to now pour this into each one of these ones, and then we'll find out how many we come up with. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 ounces plus this one. That means one proportion that I have made using my whipped cream and milk combination can make up to 7 cups. Okay? If you need to make more, then you can multiply the proportion that we made today. So if you are expecting more than 7 cups a day, you can make a double. You can double the proportion or triple, depending on how many you expect. Now, how long can you keep this sea salt cream? You can keep it refrigerated, and it should be able to stay fresh for at least 3 days. So that's it. If you have any question about this recipe, do let me know. In the next video clip, I am going to show you how to make sea salt cream using whipping cream powder. The total cost of the whole proportion is about 30 Thai baht, or about $1, and 7 cups makes it about 4 Thai baht, or equivalent to about 6 pesos per cup. The equivalent in US dollar in the description. That's all I would like to share with you today. If you have any question at all, do let me know. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also, check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.